and that's why we all stopped the bike. Look at this traffic, BMW traffic. What's up viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel Catch a Mile. This is Gautam. Guys, I'm already ready now. That was just a stupid little thing. And if you're wondering how the lights turned on, there's actually a touchpad type of thing here. This is for the AC, and see, these are for the lights, ceiling, wall. And if we wait for a few seconds, the lights will turn off. And again, foyer, art, ceiling, wall. And these are for the bedside lights. There you go, like that. Today it's going to be a very tiring day. We are going to the Hampi ruins, I've told that to you. And let's go have our breakfast. The time is 7:30. I think I'll be the first one to finish breakfast today. So this is the other jersey that they gave, the BMW. They gave us a full one because today we'll be riding from morning. Actually 8 o'clock is the meeting time, but I'll go have it early and then I can come back to the room, have some tea. We're gonna have breakfast at the same place. These are all... It's okay if I record, right? Look at this. Vegetable crudities. Crudities. Carrot juice. We have the bread section here. And our typical continental and South Indian breakfast.
एक कॉफी दो भैया कॉफी प्लीज कॉफी
I'll finish breakfast and continue. Good morning guys. So it's 9:30. We were supposed to leave at 9 o'clock. We all left at 9:30 doing some photo sessions and all that, so that's why it got late. So now we are riding and I'm the last person in the group again. I was just checking my back brake pads, so that's why I got a little late. And look at those bikes. They all have the same exhaust. I think you would have seen that in the previous vlogs. All have the Akrapovic. Forgot to put my helmet strap. Morning 9:30 only, it is so hot. So we are going to some temple now, Ganesha temple. After that we are going to the Hampi ruins. So once we finish all that, those two, we're gonna head back to the hotel for lunch. I guess we're supposed to park the bikes there. And Virupaksha temple and Ganesha temple.
The temple was built in the 1506 by one merchant coming from Chandragiri, Andhra Pradesh. He made a mustard business in this market. He got a good profit. What he expected more than that. So name of the king, Immadi Pradhadevaraya, he built one beautiful Ganesha. The special of Ganesha, he's sitting on the pedestal called Pita.
So guys, this is the view point, sunset point, valley view of Vijayanagara. So that's the temple. Wow, beautiful view, guys. They're all clicking a few pictures, and this is the famous Virupakshi temple, I think the name. So look at all that. This entire area is the temple. So after this we'll be going to the heritage site. That what's that? There's a chariot there. It's a very famous site, so we're going to go there. Here, this is pretty much it. There's so many other places also, but we don't have enough time. So once we finish the temple, we'll be going to the chariot. ಇವಾಗ ಟೆಂಪಲ್ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹಂಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದಾ ಬೈಕ್ ಹತ್ರ?
Look at the nice view.
And he's our official photographer. Thank you for clicking all the pictures. And unfortunately I can't go inside because I had chicken in the morning, so that's the reason we won't be going inside the temple, just from the outside. Okay, we finished the Virupaksha temple here. Now we are going to the Lotus Mahal, and from the Lotus Mahal to the chariot place. Oh, it's too sunny. Look at the warning here. Beware of car glass breaking thieves. You are responsible for your own belongings. After lunch we'll see if there's anything else interesting. We'll go. They're telling we'll go to some dam. Not sure about that. Guys, I'm recording this directly from the GoPro and there's no wind noise. That means there's not a single, what do you call, there's no wind at all here. That's all. Absolutely no wind. Under this tree, a little cool. This is the Lotus Mahal.
Hi.
Electric buggy.
The one which comes in GTA.
Yeah. And guys, this is the last place that we are gonna see for now. And this is the UNESCO World Heritage Site, Hampi. The most famous tourist attraction here. The chariot wheel. The chariot. And guys, I'll be ending the vlog here. If you've liked it, please make sure to hit that subscribe button and also give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you guys in the next one. Until then, take care. Bye bye. Peace. There's a train crossing and that's why we've all stopped the bikes. Look at this traffic. BMW traffic.